Julia has magic.
I'd do anything to get it back. If I could give it to you, I would.
This is our quest.
Event type is thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for Toronto, Scotchblock, Eden Mills, Mississauga, Ajax, and Oshawa, until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A squall line is currently in Michigan, moving northeast towards Toronto at 45 miles per hour. Storm is likely to move in around midnight. Long track, violent tornadoes are highly likely with this storm. Be prepared. Tennis ball-size hail and tropical storm force winds are expected. A tornado outbreak/derecho is possible. Trees may fall due to high winds. Be cautious. Check your surroundings for any leaning or snapping. Please monitor for further updates to this alert.